Which animal loves to splash in the water and leap high into the air? Let's find out how our animal friends play together. First, meet the playful puppy. Puppies love to chase balls and run around. They wag their tails and jump with joy. Puppies play with other puppies by tumbling and rolling around. They love to play fetch too. Next, let's see what kittens do for fun. Kittens are curious and love to explore their world. They have fun with yarn and chase after little toys that move. Kittens also enjoy pouncing and playing hide and seek with their friends. They love to climb and jump high on furniture. Now, let's dive into the ocean to meet dolphins. Dolphins are amazing swimmers. They play by jumping out of the water and doing flips in the air. Dolphins love to swim together in groups called pods. They play games by chasing each other and blowing bubbles. Did you guess which animal leaps high into the air? It's the dolphin. Dolphins are the best at making big splashes and high jumps. This exciting video was crafted by AutoShorts. Want your own fun videos? Just click the link in the description to get started today.